this demo video of Form Titan and Salesforce, I wanted to show you the new functionality we've added to the Pagebreak to load data only when we reach the page, what we call in technical word lazy loading. This speeds up the page load and obviously create a better user experience for the end user. So on this form, I've got a Pagebreak, I've got a drop down here to select an account, which is basically allows us to select an account from Salesforce. The next page, if they click next, we want to show the account number and type, and in the next page it just comments, nothing special, nothing loaded. Okay, so I'll just publish this and I'll show you what happens. So I've already loaded all my accounts, but besides that nothing will happen. Okay, there's no loading or getting or anything like that at the moment. Now what we want to do is, obviously when the user clicks next, we want to load the details for that selected account and populate page 2. So first thing we'll do is we'll go to form, get from Salesforce, and then add object, and I will select the account object. I'll use a custom button, and that will become apparent why in a minute. And I want to match on account ID equals to my account value. Perfect. Okay, and I just want to map the account number to account number and type to type. Perfect. So far so good, easy. Why I've selected using custom button, it's because I don't want this to execute as soon as they select the account. I only want it to execute when they click next. Okay, so I'll click next here on the Pagebreak, go to settings, advanced, and then Salesforce trigger. First I'll select first time, and then I'll set it, and I'll set it to my account get. Perfect, that's fine. So let's publish the form and view what I've just done. So you'll see now I've loaded my accounts, okay, but when I select an account nothing happens until I click next. Now we're loading the account details and populating the drop down, and if I click next and back, it doesn't load again, which is great. There's one issue here, because if I go and change my account, then obviously this page 2 does not update. So let's fix that. What you can do is you can say, don't do it first time, do it from previous page. Okay, so when it comes from the previous page, only then populate it. So let's see how this changes things. So now I select an account, click next, and it populates. I can click next again and back, it doesn't. Perfect. I can click back and next again and it loads again. That's what it does. So if I change this, now you'll see I'm loading a different account type. Obviously this account doesn't have anything, but if I select this one for example and click next, you will have the account number and the type for that account. So that's what from previous does. We've got another setting, from next. So when you go go back to page 2 from page 3, then you can execute the action. Let me show you. I can select from next, publish it, and then I'll select an account, go next, nothing will happen, go next again, but then back, now it will load the account we've just selected. If I go back, next, nothing happened, next again and back, again it will load that account. So that's what the from next does, and obviously you can run it every time you reach the page. So that means whenever this page is visible, it will run the operation. Let's see. So I'll select this account, click next, and the operation runs. Click next again and back, and again the operation runs. That's what it does. So yes, you can build forms much easier, with better user experience, much faster response time, and obviously fewer API calls if your users don't go to specific pages. This is really important for you, and I hope you understood what we have just shown you. Thank you very much.